Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Craig's Yoga and Meditation program on kindness. There's another word for this, which is called loving kindness, metta or maitri. So as we come to a comfortable seating posture, maybe bringing your knees down to the earth, sitting on a bolster, lengthening your spine, bringing your arms into the side body, palms of your hand facing up or facing down towards your knees. Maybe dropping your chin down to the chest, lengthening the back of your spine. Closing down your eyes or a soft gaze at the tip of the nose. As we begin to take a deep breath in through the nose and sign that out through the mouth. So taking a deep breath in through the nose and sign that out through the mouth. And one more deep breath in through the nose and sign out through the mouth. Just relax your breathing. Give yourself a moment to be present. Let go of anything that has happened in your day. So far, bring all your awareness into the body, sitting peacefully on your mat. Begin to notice your breathing and allow the breath to move naturally in and out of your body. As you continue to breathe naturally, allow yourself to be completely present, completely in the moment. Just allowing the path of your breath in through the nose, down through the mouth, through the throat, then the lungs, and then all the way up and out. Any other thoughts, let them come and go. Just focus on your breathing. Allow the breath to be gentle. Allow the breath to be natural. Life flows to the receiving and giving. Our bodies flourish through dynamic and constant exchange with the universe. Our cells thrive through cooperation with one another, and so do all our organs. Blood must flow freely, and stopping its flow creates blockages, just as stopping the flow of a river creates stagnation. Nature similarly provides us with a perfect symphony. The sun provides us warmth for seed pods to sprout. Rain brings much needed moisture to the crops. It gives us food to nourish our bodies. The process of giving and receiving is crucial to one another and to nature's rich abundance. In this way, the law of giving is very simple. If you want joy, give joy. If love is what you seek, offer love. If you crave for material things, help others get prosperous. Learn to silently bless everyone with all the good things in their life. Present thoughts, good wishes, appreciation, compliments, or even a smile. The more you give, the more you receive. Consider abundance as simply another name for universal truth. What is always available to you as a divine, loving, compassionate being. By accepting life's goodness and offering it to others, you will create true abundance in your own life. Today's Sankalpa is on giving. A flower, a smile, a heartfelt compliment, a helping hand, or a silent blessing. As we come into the next phase of pranayama, blinking your eyes open and bringing either if you're right-handed or left-handed, picking one of the hands that you like to use, bending your index finger and your middle finger and placing your thumb and your index finger on the fleshy part of your nostril. We'll inhale through the right, hold at a count of 4, exhale left at a count of 4, and then we'll wait at a count of 4. Inhale through the left at a count of 4, and then hold the breath at the count of 4. Exhale from the right at a count of 4, and wait at a count of 4, and that makes 1 round. Let's do 4 rounds of that. So we'll breathe into we'll close the right and breathe in through the left. So closing your right nostril. Preparation, inhale, exhaling fully and completely. Breathe in from your left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, right. 3, 4. Wait. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, left. 2, 3, 4. Wait. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, right. 2, 3, 4. Wait. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, left. 2, 3, 4. Wait. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, right. Hold. Exhale, left. Wait. Last round. Inhale, left. Hold. Exhale, right. Wait. Inhale, right. Hold. Exhale, left. Wait. Then releasing your fingers, coming back to the draw of your choice. And then coming back to your natural breath. Feeling the fluidity of your breath as it goes in to your body. And as you exhale, releasing the breath all the way out of you. And just feel that cool air entering your body as warm air leaves your body. Allowing your eyes to gently close if not already. And relax into your bones and your skin. Take your awareness inwards and focus on the moment of both the inhalation and the exhalation. The cool air entering your body and the warm air leaving the body. Open your heart and feel a softness come through the breath as you give your heart permission to open. May I be well, and may all living beings be well. May I be happy and free, and may all living beings be happy and free. May I be joyful. May all living beings be joyful. May I be healthy in my body, mind and spirit. May all living beings be healthy in mind, body and spirit. May I be peaceful. May all living beings be peaceful. May I be loved. May all beings be loved. May I be safe. May all living beings be safe. May I be at ease. May all living beings be at ease. May I be free from suffering. May all living beings be free from suffering. May I contribute happiness and freedom for all. May all living beings contribute happiness and freedom for all. Rest in this peacefulness and stillness from the repetition of all of these affirmations. Feel these resonating within you, bringing a sense of inner harmony, peace and stillness. Going into a few moments of stillness in the practice. Breathing in and breathing out. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back into the present moment. Rubbing your palms together, generating some prana, some life force in your body. And placing one hand over one eye, followed by the other eye. And then releasing your eyes 1/4, half. And then bringing your hands to your heart center, blinking your eyes wide open. Thank you for sharing your energy and your time with me this evening. If you like this practice, please remember to like and subscribe. Namaste.